Hi guys! Welcome back to my another vlog. Sa biyahe ni Mike ulit. Yun o. Tara, samahan niyo ulit kami mag-travel. Papuntang Norfolk, Virginia, USA naman tayo. At libutin natin ang magagandang lugar sa Norfolk. O paano guys? Mga kabiyahe dyan. See you later!
Since they are not permitted in the cargo hold.
Veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. And I'm up again, I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Papansin ako. That's 7-Eleven. Yun guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng International Airport ng Dallas, Texas International Airport. So guys, dito mo tayo maglakad-lakad muna tayo. Tingin-tingin tayo ng ating kung saan tayo pwedeng kumain na pasok sa budget. Yun guys, stop over tayo rito ng 6 hours. So matagal-tagal din yan, no? At libutin muna natin itong airport. Samahan nyo ako ngayon para makita natin. Yung ibang mga tao rito, mga pasahero, nagmamadali na sila dahil late na rin sila. Minsan nag-iiba yung mga gate nila kung saan sila talaga. So, yun guys, mga kabiyahe dyan. At tara, samahan nyo ako maglakad-lakad lang. Toink! Alright guys, see you later! D11, ay D. Yun mga kabiyahe, at sa wakas nakapagkape-kape na rin tayo kanina at nainitan yung ating bituka. At mahaba-haba rin, almost 4 hours na ngayon. So hanapin natin yung gate natin na D38 para hindi tayo malate. Minsan kasi nagbabago yung gate dito kung saan talaga ang iyong airplane. So tara, at hanapin muna natin. Iba nagtatakbuhan na, baka na medyo nagbago yung gate nila. So tara, at punta muna tayo doon. Alright mga kabiyahe, see you later!
We're boarding all groups from American Airlines Flight 1416 to Houston George Bush through gate D4. Boarding all groups from American Airlines Flight 1416 to Houston George Bush through gate D4.
Yan guys, mga kabiyahe dyan. Sa wakas, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Norfolk, Virginia, USA. Touchdown! So, time check tayo ngayon, 11 p.m. mga kabiyahe. So, bukas natin libutin ang lugar na ito. See you later!